Speaker, sir, I'm here to support the demands listed for today's. Regarding demand number 47, Goa Medical College. I have to congratulate Honorable Minister for Health, the Chief Minister, the Dean and the entire team of GMC for continuously achieving various milestones year after year. The Department of Orthopedic, GMC, was first government hospital in the country to start robotic knee replacement surgery. So big congratulations to you all. And only one thing regarding Goa Medical College, Speaker sir, सांगूंक सोदता की थंयसर ward number 100, where one of our neighbor was admitted, there was less water supply. So if you all can just look into it about the water supply in Goa Medical. Regarding health services, आमचे फकत आमच्या शिवोली प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटराचे उलयता सर. थंयसर मल्टीपर्पज हेल्थ वर्कर्स मेल 2 posts are vacant. This has to be filled. Secondly, auxiliary nurse midwife posts, 3 posts are vacant. That also needs to be filled. And MTS, 9 posts are vacant. So altogether 14 posts lie vacant in Sholi Primary Health Center. Now these gynecologists, they visit only once a month. So I would request at least once a week if they could visit, it would be a big relief to our people. Even ENT surgeon to visit our request to visit our PHC at least once a week. And a request to see that our primary health center, I think the file is already with the department, to be made as community health center. This will bring a big relief to our Shiolkars. And आमचे नए building already जाले 6 महिने आमचो honorable minister येऊन inaugurate केल्ले. So I thank you. But the old building needs repair and renovation. That file also has been prepared. I'm sure you all will look into it. And the old buildingaचे ते भिंती हा ते सगळ्यो फुगल्या सर, आणि the ceiling also is in very bad state. So बेडांचेर patient न्हिदल्यात आणि that so ceiling आहे ती old buildingaची सारकी करून घेवची. Regarding the network issue, every time the health officer tells us that GBBN, that internet network what you all have supplied, it is not working. So nowadays online सगळे submit करूंक पडटा आणि म्हयन्याच्या म्हयन्यांक लोकांक रावंक पडटा for NOC. So if they could be also told, given permission to get another private internet connection. Because हे तुमचे GBBN म्हणटा ते चलत ना दिसता म्हाका. People have to wait and wait. Regarding FDA, demand number 53. We are what we eat. I always say this. आणि आमी जेन्ना पळयतात बाजारान कितेंय नुस्तें, भाजी, fruits, anything we find nowadays most of these things are laced with insecticides and pesticides. So the role of FDA department is very, very important. And for a common, how will a common man come to know whether this, whatever we are buying with a hard-earned money, pesticides, whether it is laced with pesticides and insecticides. I think the Honorable Minister should see that small strips are available in the pharmacies somewhere where we can buy them and really check. And more important is regular and surprise inspections to be made by your FDA department to check the level of pesticides found in our fruits and vegetables. Regarding Goa Dental College, demand number 51, the Entertainment Society of Goa and the Department of Public Health Dentistry and Goa Dental College and Hospital, in collaboration with National Tobacco Control Program, Directorate of Health Services, Goa celebrates World No Tobacco Day by organizing Goa Anti-Tobacco Film Festival every year in IESG on 31st May. It was celebrated this year also. So every year they have different themes, and this year it was protecting our children from tobacco industry interference. So I would like to congratulate the dentistry department for having this program. The purpose and aim of Anti-Tobacco Film Festival is to spread the message of harmful or ill effects of tobacco use. The ultimate objective being to render Goa smoke-free. ESG, in association with the Department of Public Health Dentistry, Goa Dental College and Hospital, has been successfully organizing this festival since 2017. And it has become a calendar event. And this year it was the 6th edition. And we also have awards for Goa section and national section. And prizes, big prizes are being given. You know, for Goa section, 50,000 was the first prize, 30,000 was the second prize, and 20,000 was the third prize. And for national section, 1 lakh was the first prize, second prize was 50,000, and the third prize was 30,000. I would really like to congratulate the Goa Dental College for doing this service to mankind. Thank you very much.